Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is March 5th, 2025, and we're analyzing Meta, ticker symbol Meta. We're going to look at the news surrounding Meta and then dive into the charts to see what they're telling us. Recently, Meta has seen some insider selling, with Christopher Cox, Jennifer Newstead, and Javier Olivan all selling shares in late February. This has put some downward pressure on the stock. However, analysts remain largely optimistic. Wedbush, Royal Bank of Canada, Susquehanna, Wolfe Research, and Piper Sandler have all recently raised their price targets for Meta, with an average price target around $719.26. Jefferies also reaffirmed a buy rating with a $715 price target, despite some suggesting the stock is slightly overvalued. Also, Meta will be issuing a quarterly dividend of $0.525 on March 26th. Now, let's take a look at the charts, starting with the one-day chart. We can see that Meta has had a strong upward trend over the past year, reaching all-time highs recently. However, the recent insider selling and some profit-taking have led to a pullback. We can see a recent dip down to around $640 today, March 4th, 2025. Looking closer at the past several months, we can see that Meta has been trading in a range between approximately $420 and $500 and reached as high as $740 before this recent pullback. The stock's 50-day moving average is around $654.92, and the 200-day moving average is around $598.70, suggesting that the long-term trend is still bullish. A potential support level could be around the $640 mark, where we saw the stock trade as low as yesterday due to the insider selling news. If it breaks below this level, the next support could be around the $625 to $630 range. Now let's zoom into the one-hour chart for a shorter-term perspective. We can see a clearer picture of the recent volatility. There's some choppy price action, and we can identify potential resistance around the $650 level. If the stock breaks above this resistance, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. Finally, if we narrow our view to the 15-minute chart, we get a very short-term perspective. Here we see more detailed price swings and consolidation. It is very noisy and requires some very quick decision-making to take advantage of trades here. Trading signals can appear quite quickly and disappear just as fast. Be cautious. In summary, Meta is currently facing some headwinds due to insider selling, as well as the market reacting to Meta being slightly overvalued. However, analysts are still bullish and the long-term trend remains positive. Key price levels to watch are the $640 support and $650 resistance. If the price breaks below $640, we could see a further decline to $625 to $630, potentially with a 60% chance. If, however, the price breaks above $650, this can signify a potential retest of the all-time high near $740, roughly with a 50% chance. Keep an eye on further news regarding insider activity, analyst ratings, and overall market sentiment, as these factors will likely influence Meta's price action in the coming weeks.